don't know where I go from. I don't know where I go. I don't wanna be overwhelmed if I'm gonna be afraid of the unknown. I don't know where I go from. I don't know where I go from. I don't wanna be overwhelmed, but I wanna be afraid of the unknown. Plan. Blow, blow! Hey. Keep blowing!
Hurry, we have to go!
Idea. What?
The friends knew they had to be quick before the bear caught them. With a brave swing, they dared.
Hold on tight, dragon. Oops. Yee. I have no idea.
We have to go in there. Are you sure? We did it!
Wow, it's so beautiful here.
Look how beautiful this is!
I've never seen anything like this. What's wrong?
I hear something.
Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
You look like you've had a long journey. We're looking for a home for my friend.
Come with me. You'll find friends here. The valley is only for brave hearts. Prove you belong here. Fly with me.
We are ready!
We can do this.
Dragon. We can do it!
This is much more comfortable.
Unbelievable.
They're all so friendly.
Show them what you can do!
Little fellow, you think you belong here? Prove it!
Ready, set, go! Come on, we can do this.
Come on, we can't give up!
I'm so tired.
Just blow! Blow as hard as you can!
Are you sure?
Yes! Trust me, we're almost there! Yes! We did it! Phew! I knew we could do it!
Unbelievable!
You found your place.
I knew you could do it.
Thank you for everything. I have to go.
What?
My adventure is over here. But you are home now.
Hold on tight, I'll get you out of there.
How?
Look.
Hold them tight.
Thank you, you saved me.
You are welcome. That was a close call.
Cow? Oh no, what do they want from me? They're coming.
I have to hide!
Cow! Cow! We're gonna get you!
Cow! What do you want here, you brute? Oh no! A bear!
Leave that little kitten alone!
He's saving me.
You?
You're a friend?
Yes.
And I rescue little kittens.
Oh no, where did he go?
I don't know. He just disappeared. Ah, that's Dragon. He left these stones here.
We must follow him, but be careful.
Who are you?
Leave us alone!
No wolves.
Run! As fast as you can!
Who are you and what do you want here?
We're just passing through.
We're looking for a way home.
There's only one way out of the woods, but it's dangerous.
We're brave. We can do this.
All right, follow me, but only if you trust me.
Follow me. It's not far now.
We're almost there. Almost there. Unbelievable.
Oh my god, you're home!
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. Take good care of your mommy.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm glad to be home.